Galaxy S26 series, and you might have noticed that we've made a couple of design improvements with our new S series. And so, starting off with the refined and purposeful design upgrades that we've made, and so you can see across our entire series, we have the same rounded radius across the board. So that means the S26 Ultra, the S26 Plus, and the Galaxy S26 all share the same design identity. And that also translates with the colors that we have available. So all of the 4 colors, the black, white, sky blue, and our hero cobalt violet will be available across all of the 3 models that we have for the S26 series. Our Galaxy S26 Ultra is also the slimmest Ultra ever made, and it's also the lightest, and you can definitely feel it as soon as you pick it up. So please do feel free to handle the device as we go along today's tour. And the lightness of the Ultra is really made possible through the armor aluminum build that we have brought back. And also the durability is still intact with our Corning Gorilla Armor 2 found on the front and back of the device. Now moving on to performance, the Galaxy S26 series is gives you powerful performance that feels effortless when handling complex tasks and multitasks even in the background. The Galaxy S26 Ultra comes with the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 made custom for Galaxy, and with it we've seen vast improvements made across the board in the CPU, GPU, and the NPU. So starting off with the CPU, we have seen up to 19% increase in performance, and this actually makes it the world's fastest mobile CPU available. For the GPU, we have up to 24% boosted performance, which gives you greater graphics and faster processing. And for the NPU, we've seen the highest improvement for our processor. So we are seeing up to 39% boost. And so, of course, our NPU is what's responsible for our AI technology. And so with that, we're giving you faster AI processing speeds. So in fact, it's actually 2 times faster in terms of processing versus the S25 series. On the Galaxy S26 Plus and on our Galaxy S26, we have the Exynos 2600, which brings the same AI-first performance approach, optimized to deliver a consistently premium Galaxy experience. And so on all 3 models, if you are a power user or a gamer, you'll be delighted to see that the faster processing, sharper graphics, and sustained responsiveness are found across all 3 series models. Plus, the Galaxy AI runs more smoothly without lag or interruption. And as I mentioned earlier, it's actually 2 times faster than our previous model. The Galaxy S26 Ultra has also been created with a new thermal architecture to sustain pro-level performance without worrying of overheating. And so what that means is that you have pro-level performance even during long gameplay, and also when you're watching things on the screen for a long time. Let's say if you're watching movies or if you're scrolling on your social media apps for a long duration of time, your phone won't overheat. Another new improvement we've made in performance is on battery charging capabilities. So with our Galaxy S26 Ultra, you'll be able to enjoy super fast charging, which can take your device from 0 to 75% in just 30 minutes with 60 watts charging capability. On top of that, we have a refined algorithm that optimizes your energy consumption in real time. And so your device will learn more about your usage habits and also give you the best optimized battery based on that. We've also improved, of course, on our super fast wireless charging capabilities. And lastly, on performance is on visual performance coming from our customized AP with that upgraded viewing experience. So first of all, we have ProScaler, which will give you noticeably richer and sharper viewing thanks to our Galaxy exclusive viewing IP of ProScaler. So what this basically means is if ever you are viewing a photo or a video on your device, all of the edges will be made a lot more smoother and you won't have this jagged image expression as the image will be upscaled using this ProScaling technology. Second is the MPNIe upgrades that we've made on the Galaxy S26 series, which will give you more subtle and soft shades of color with 4 times the precision to give you up to 1 billion color expression on your device. So if you have an image that has a lot of colors, let's say a sunset or a sunrise image, you'll be able to get the most natural and lifelike image quality on your Galaxy S26 series. Alright, so now let's move on to some of the improvements we've made on display and privacy. So if you'll just